translation, I think, is a useful way of putting it. It does require, I think, the students, the graduates, to give some thought to how they might translate with the kind of skills terminology that's used, like initiative taking, like leadership, like team membership, and from different contexts that they've been engaged in to the kind of work situation that they'll be moving into. So it's to take those terms which the students will have encountered in all of the literature and all the presentations they've been to, and the literature they get about various employers that they might be applying to take that kind of terminology and begin to think about how that then applies in other contexts. So where they have been in some kind of group or team situation, how they have taken some kind of leadership role, how they've led in some particular way. It doesn't necessarily mean they've had a formal leadership role, but the way in which they've been able to influence others, the way in which they've been able to take the team or the group in a particular direction that they believe to be important, and which they've been able to persuade others to go on to. So it's the way in which they would do that kind of translation. And it's other areas like problem solving, problem analysis, decision making. Every student will have been involved in decision making in some form or other, and it's to think about ways in which they can then translate. They can say, well, here's an example of where I've done it in this situation, and this is the way in which I then might be able to do it in a work situation, the kind of professional managerial work situations that are likely to find themselves in.